Welcome to OnSite. In this tutorial, we'll explore how the central warehouse management works, from viewing your inventory to managing your material requests, purchase entries and transfers all in one place. Let's get started. On the left side, you can see the complete list of materials available in the warehouse, that is your inventory list. Each item displays unit, quantity, and availability status. On the right side, you'll find all the transaction logs. This section gives you a detailed record of every activity, whether materials are received, issued, or transferred, helping you keep track of all moments in real time. In the top right corner, you can add the warehouse address and provide access to your warehouse manager. Once the access is given, the manager can directly transfer the materials from here. So you can handle material transfers between central warehouse and to different projects. So from here, you can select the relevant project that you want to transfer the material. Here, add materials. Let us select few materials from this list. Add the quantity of materials that you are transferring, and you can see the cost has also been added. From here, you can add any reference number or e-way bill number. You can add vehicle number, and you can save. From here, you can also download this transfer slip into PDF. Here you can see the reference number, date of issue, e-way bill number, and material transfer number is reflecting along with the items, quantity, and its rate. So let's go and check in the project. So we'll select the project. So once a transfer is made from the warehouse, the site team will receive it under pending to receive option. So we'll go to the material tab. Here you can see the pending to receive option, transferred items. So here they can add any defected quantity also and save. After they confirm
अपने
the
प्रोजेक्ट्स
receival,
को
both
डिजिटाइज
the
करें
stock
ऑन साइट
quantity
ERP के
and
साथ।
cost of material will be updated automatically. Similarly, if a project sends material back to the warehouse, so the warehouse manager can record it by adding a new receivable entry. So let us transfer few bags of cement. The same expense will be deducted from the particular project. And from here, the warehouse management can add the receivable entry. Also, whenever a material request is raised and approved, so basically the warehouse manager can raise request for the material as well. So once the request is approved, the warehouse manager can create a receivable entry once the material is received. Under warehouse, receive, the same request can also be converted into a purchase entry if the material is ordered externally. So we'll add the rate. So you can see this in the transaction. So that's how the central management module works. You can manage requests, purchases, transfers, and stock updates efficiently in one place. Keep your data updated and approvals on track to ensure smooth material flow between your warehouse and project sites. Thank you for watching.